everybody, and welcome to Gregor Speaks. Thank you for joining me. How are you? And you may ask yourself, Greg, it doesn't look like you're in Kansas anymore. Actually, I'm not in Chicago right now. I am in Imlay City, Michigan, where I grew up. It's a small town, kind of in the thumb area. If you know, Michigan's like a mitt, kind of the thumb area of Michigan, about 50 miles northeast of Detroit. And speaking of Detroit, I'm heading out with my friend Tammy today. I hung out with some friends yesterday, but Tammy and I are going down to the Eastern Market down in Detroit. It's a beautiful place where a lot of purveyors and a bunch of other people come and they sell their goods, their services, food, flowers, all sorts of stuff. And I'm going to do little snippets of what it looks like down the Eastern Market. And if you ever get a chance to go to Detroit, you gotta go there. It's just one of my favorite places to visit. So yeah, that's what I'm doing today. Beautiful day, a little cloudy, may rain later, but we need some rain here for all the farmers. But first, I got to show you this. This is my childhood home, way in the background there, way beyond the fence. That's where I grew up. Don't own the house there anymore, but a lady bought it. She takes care of it really well, so I'm very happy for that. So yeah, I stay at my friend Tammy's house, and I can look out the bedroom window, and there's my house. How interesting is that? So anyway, come along with me today. I'm so happy that you're joining me in a trip that I absolutely love down the Eastern Market in Detroit. So here we go.
Hello, welcome to Gregor Speaks. This is Sean with the ACLU.
I'm starting off the trip, but as you know, I like Dunkin' Donuts coffee. Tammy, my friend Tammy. Tammy, this is not Dunkin' Donuts.
No, it's not. Sorry, we have no Dunkin' Donuts.
There's none in Imlay City. I need to open up a Dunkin' Donuts and make $1 million. So, yeah, it's Tim Hortons. Is that out of Canada?
I believe it is.
Yeah.
They started in Canada, yes.
See? I'm supporting all countries.
There
today.
you go.
I know.
What a man.
I know. Oh, hey girl.
Are you somewhere feeling lonely? Or is ginger in your space?
I'll separate the sour and collect them all for you. The candy man